Hey, today we are making an end table from Pallet and scrap wood. So come along with me and you can do it too. And if you're new here, I'm Rose. I love to DIY, design, and decorate. If you love stuff like this, subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this. From woodworking to improving your curb appeal, to patio furniture, to organization and makeovers inside, to makeup organization, to pegboards, to jewelry organizers, so much more. So let's get back to the video and let's build some patio furniture. What are the supplies we'll need? Well, we need a chop saw to cut the wood, and you'll need some pallet wood, especially the studs for the base of it. And you can see them here. These ones have notches, but they work just fine. I'm using cedar for the top. It's reclaimed wood. And you'll also need some screws. I have 2.5-inch screws intended for outside use, as well as some 1.5. I have my drill and my speed square. And so let's get started. We're going to cut the wood to 20 inches. And so we're going to make a box and connect the two boxes together. So let's screw it together. One of my best tips is to start your screws so that they're ready, and then check for square, and then screw them the rest of the way in. And you shouldn't have much trouble with making sure your item stays in square and you don't have problems later on. So again, here is the cedar I'm using. It's rough on the outside, but it'll be great for inside. So I put the cedar together on the corners to add stability after I have made the box. And so that has worked to strengthen it. And so now I just need to check for square and do that on the other sides. And then I will be doing the top here in just a moment. This is also the same cedar I used for these cute cedar planters. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. It is on my channel. But you can see here how I've started the screws halfway. Again, same trick to help it stay in square. So I've got it going. Now that I have checked and triple checked, let's finally add that cedar to the top. We're going to screw it in with 1.5-inch screws. My cedar is 1 inch thick, and here is the final reveal. I think it looks pretty cute. Reclaimed wood didn't really cost me much because all of the wood was free. I just had to pay for the screws, and then I just transplanted some more of my Mother's Day flowers, and I think it works great. These are my Mother's Day flowers. They are in the pots that I got for free. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.